Dev says, I had £10, I gave some money away. Which expression shows how much Dev has left? A is the amount of money in pounds that Dev gave away. Now, this question looks far more trickier and intimidating than it really is. We just have to really just think about what Dev is saying. Now, Dev, A is the amount of money in pounds that Dev gave away. Now, if we think about if we had some money and we gave away, what operation would you be doing? Would you be adding? Would you be subtracting? Would you be multiplying? Would you be dividing? Okay, if we're giving money away, we know we're going to have less money, which means we are subtracting. So Dev had £10, so we know that we're going to start with £10 with the number 10, and we're going to give it away. We know we're going to subtract, and we know that the money away is A. So we have 10 subtract A. If we have a think about all the other expressions, 10 plus A means that Dev had £10 and he added money he gave away. That doesn't make sense. The next one, Dev had £10 and he divided by the amount of money he gave away. That also doesn't make sense. The next one is the money he gave. We start with the money he gave away and we subtract what he had, £10. That doesn't make sense. And the final one is we're multiplying the money he gave away by 10. Also, it doesn't make sense. So we're simply just talking through exactly what he said. He had £10. He gave it away. He subtracted the money, and the money is represented by the letter A, also given in the question. That is a very basic example of expressing a statement algebraically. Do you know what your child needs to know about algebra in Year 6? There are 5 objectives taken from the national curriculum. I've covered all 5 of those objectives in my Year 6 algebra ebook available in the Pocket Private Tutor shop. I also have my All About Algebra course, which is a great introductory course to lay the foundations for algebra and is suitable for anyone in Year 5 or Year 6 before having a go at the Year 6 objectives.